I will start from the 0, start the line. Starting first point, you can start from anywhere, just click anywhere on the screen, and then at the rate, the distance of the first segment is 1.750 minus 1. This is not directly given, so that is 0.750. That is the length of the line. Angle is 180 degree. You get the horizontal line. The next line, at the rate, the distance is 0.750. It is given, vertical distance is given there on the left hand side. Angle is minus 90 degree. You are coming down. Next is at the rate 1.000, and length of the line is 180 degree. Then you are coming down at the rate 1.500, and angle is minus 90 degree. You are coming down. Now, next angle is 4.250, length of the line, and angle is 180 degree. 180 degree? No, wrong, right? Okay, I'll type U for undo. This is cancelled. Just type U for undo. Don't break the line. At the rate, the length of the line, again I'm writing 4.250. Angle is 0 degree. You have to go on this direction. Angle is deciding your direction where you are going. Now next length is 1.500, and angle is directly. Is it 60 degree? Let me try 60 degree. Oh, 60, not 60 degree. It is 180 minus 60. So type U. It is not directly 60 degree, because we are measuring 60 degree is on the minus negative side of the x-axis. Always we measure the direction of the angle with the positive side of the x-axis. So I have to say 180 minus 60, the angle. Anyway, so at the rate, length of the line is again 1.50. Angle is 180 minus 60. That is 120. And now see for close. Just close to go to the first point. Suppose you break the line somewhere and you are here. So the close will not work. Directly go here. Directly go here. O snap should be on. This is your O snap. It must be on. Endpoint is on. And then you can directly click here to complete the line manually.
Try type C.
Suppose you break. Suppose you are drawing and in between you did something and you enter and you break the link. It will go to the first point. Suppose you break the link here, then from here it will go here. If you break the link in between while doing, you make a mistake and you enter and then you continue. In that case, you can type C also here. You can type C if you are continuous. If you are not continuous, you can do manually also.
Teacher.
Yes.
The first point you write 0.